Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you use TikTok without an account. So firstly, go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download TikTok. So that's the first thing you're going to do, just download the app. So once you already have the app on your phone, just open the app. All right, when you open the app, you like it by default it will automatically load you the videos, will load you like random videos, so you can just keep on watching them. So that's pretty much easy and straightforward. You don't really need to have an account to really watch these videos or look at the TikTok videos. So as you can see, if I click on my profile option here, see I've not logged in, so I don't really have an account, so I have not even signed up for an account. So I'm just, but without that I'm just like, see, watching videos, and it's all good and fine. So that's it. So that's the thing. And you can also like videos without actually you will need so the only thing you will need an account is when you like and comment, or when you post something, then that's when you need an account. So other than that, you all feel free to like use TikTok without an account. So it's just, you just have to download it, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.